Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we break down the financial world to make it simple and profitable for you. If you're tired of complicated strategies and want to learn a straightforward way to profit from binary options, then you're in the right place. Stick around because today we're revealing the simple strategy for consistent gains with binary options. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get straight to it. Binary options can seem risky, but with the right approach, they can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. Here's a strategy that's beginner-friendly, quick to learn, and effective. But first, let's make sure we're all on the same page. For those new to binary options, it's a type of financial instrument where you predict whether the price of an asset will go up or down within a specific time frame. If you're right, you earn a fixed payout. If not, you lose your investment for that trade. So the key to success here? Precision and discipline. First things first, pick a regulated and reliable trading platform. For U.S. audiences, platforms like Nadex or CFTC-regulated brokers are great options. They offer transparency, and you'll avoid sketchy platforms that play against you. Pro tip: practice with a demo account first to get comfortable with the system before you invest real money. Now, let's talk strategy. The 15-minute reversal strategy is simple yet effective. Identify a trending asset. Look for assets with strong and consistent movement. Currency pairs like Euro/USD or GBP/USD work well. Use a 5-minute chart. On your platform, set your chart to a 5-minute time frame. This helps you spot patterns more easily. Apply the RSI indicator. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is your best friend. Add it to your chart and set the levels to 70 and 30. These levels indicate overbought or oversold conditions. Wait for a signal. When the RSI crosses above 70, it's overbought. Look for a potential reversal down. If it dips below 30, it's oversold. Watch for a potential reversal up. Time your entry. Enter a trade in the opposite direction of the RSI signal, but wait for a confirming candlestick pattern like a hammer or shooting star for added accuracy. Now, even the best strategy can fail without proper risk management. Here's how to stay safe. Limit trade size. Only risk 1 to 2% of your total capital per trade. Set a daily loss limit. Decide beforehand how much you're willing to lose in a day and stick to it. Track your trades. Keep a journal of every trade you make. This helps you learn from mistakes and refine your strategy. If you like trading around major economic events, this one's for you. Binary options thrive on volatility, and scheduled news events like the non-farm payroll report or Federal Reserve announcements can create big price movements. Check the economic calendar. Websites like Forex Factories show when high-impact news is coming. Trade 15 minutes before and after the event. Look for sharp movements and trade based on the breakout direction. Use short expiry times. Stick to 1 or 2-minute expiries to capitalize on quick market reactions. Quick warning: even simple strategies can fail if you fall into these traps. Overtrading. Don't force trades. If you don't see a clear signal, sit it out. Ignoring fees. Make sure you understand the payout and cost structure on your platform. Emotional trading. Always follow your strategy, not your gut. And that's it. A simple yet powerful strategy to help you profit with binary options. Remember, success takes practice and patience, so don't rush it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and comment below with your favorite binary option strategy. Until next time, stay smart, stay profitable, and as always, happy trading.